told me that it's not like she's like that with her strategy.
What Wani was saying, exes have big yanks. As long as there's yanks, there can never be peace.
Hey guys, so Biggie had to even involve Parrot in the house just so there will be bass in that house. Yes, these housemates are always finding a way of making peace. These people are not, they are not for violence. They are just peaceful people. It's just the realization I got this morning. So let's talk about the whole Parrot thing. So Parrot has to expose what ONYEKA once told Sean and then what Kassia said, you know, based on what she's seen that ONYEKA was doing in the ship of Wani and Sean because of Nyash, as you can hear. Guys, it just sounds so funny. Do you understand? And Kassia actually had to go to Handi and own up what she said. And then Handi was like, okay, she's going to tell Wani. Would there be war after this? We'll find out maybe later in the day. So I feel like everybody is just having ONYEKA's name in their mouths since then. But after that whole Parrot thing, ONYEKA had to, you know, go to Handi and was stylishly trying to accuse that to Victoria. Victoria didn't take it personal. She took it personal and had to clear her and tell her you are the one that said it. So, you know, based on the open nomination thing, which I'm still going to talk about, is still giving them some kind of goosebumps, and some people are enraged that they can't believe that this person nominated them and stuff like that. Do you understand? So with the way ONYEKA's name was being mentioned yesterday, I kind of felt so bad for her because literally she's everywhere. I was expecting it based on say she's always there when things are happening. So it was kind of looking as if they are going to have misunderstanding. I mean ONYEKA and Victoria because of the whole Parrot thing. But at the end of the day, ONYEKA said sorry. But you know, she's still recovering from the issue she had with her elder sister Chizoba. As per Chizoba not getting it off her chest the way ONYEKA usually say that their mom did not like her, ONYEKA, and Chizoba is her favorite and all of that. That the twisting she's giving there and the narrative is not making any sense because they're in national TV. Yes, I support her in that. There are some things about family you don't need to put out there because you're changing a narrative, and then it's going to take your mom a lot of work to, you know, solve the situation, because it seems to me that this is exactly how they are living at home and they can't fake it, and she couldn't hide it any longer and they started exhibiting it in the house, and people are going to say a lot about this. So I hope it doesn't affect their brand, the way they talk about themselves in the house, because one little minute they're in peace, next minute they are cat and rat. People also usually have issues with their siblings, but not this bad. Maybe it's because we are watching it in national TV anyway. So after sorting out the issue with she and Victoria, I think she also had another issue with Ozzy again. And I don't know what the issue was, because I came in the point where Ozzy was saying that he's not going to take that anymore, that he has always been being the one thinking about it. She just needs to be careful about how she talks and all of that. So it got to me, I was like one person receiving all these bullets at the same time. But that's part of the game. Since her strategy was that she's going to expect that too. And imagine, she's already in the lips of everybody in the house and outside the house. She's making her to trend, you know. Though people will be saying, okay, she's trending in a bad way, but that's part of the reason why the Parrot did that, so that to get them talking and make them move body for the house. So the main cocoa that happened in that head of house thing, after the head of house challenge, let's give it up to TJ Bbnaija. He's the new head of house for this week. So even though the game was really tough, I didn't know how he pulled out, but congratulations. So during the open nomination, everybody was asked to write 2 names. You can be seeing the names they wrote in the screen. So with that, it's going to stir up some kind of mixed feelings, mixed reactions from the housemates. So this is who, so you have me in mind. All these things you see Big Brother is doing is just to stir up some kind of, you know, drama in the house. But I don't think the housemates are buying it. If you ask me, I don't think they're really buying the whole idea. They feel that they have studied this housemate, like they've studied the previous sets so much that they were just there to just be having their fun. Whoever wins, so that's it. But you know, few of them are the ones that are, you know, giving them the content that they want. And then Kelly Ray and his wife Kassia, they are off for eviction this week, with the rest of some of the housemates that they called up. Wani and ex Handi, they are not off eviction. So I wish them all the very best. And if you know your fave, please kindly start voting for your faves to stay till, the day 71. So guys, this was what I brought for you guys. And if you have watched to this point, thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.